What's going on, guys? We're going to do some technical analysis and a full breakdown on Mara, ticker symbol MARA. So with this being said, we obviously understand what is going on in the overall stock market, as well as the crypto market, and as well as a lot of these small cap stocks have really been taking a pounding, going into the 2021 into 2022, obviously. So we know that we coming off highs here of $83.45. One thing that I kind of do want to point out here, that we need to take into strong and serious consideration is that, in this bear market, when we do recover, and I'm putting like a 12 to 18 month recovery time on the overall bear market before we get back on some stocks, quote unquote, some stocks to retest all-time highs, at least 18 to 24 months. Okay, now does that mean that some stocks are not going to recover sooner? Of course not. Does that mean that stocks are going to be down here at the bottom for another year and a half, 2 years? Of course not. But if you're a believer in crypto, you're a believer in the miners, you're a believer in Mara, you're a believer in everything that's going on, and you think that, potentially you want to put some money into this stock. Now, I would find it very, very hard to believe that anyone is still, has a average price of Mara between $60 and $83. If so, my thing to you would be, if you believe in the company you're going to hold, the best possible case scenario for you is to start averaging down. Okay, and there's no better time to average down than to where we all kind of started from. So I'm looking at a price target between $5 and $8, somewhere in this range for the next 6 months. Okay, now if we do get over that $8 to $10 range, the next price target that I would have is going to be $17, $18. That's going to be the 20-day moving average. We have not traded over the 20-day moving average going all the way back to November of 2021. Okay, so November of 2021 is the last time that we were kind of over that 20 and 9 EMA, 20 SMA, 9 EMA. That was the last time. So we're going on about 7 months now, 8 months of being trading under the macro levels of supply. So obviously when crypto starts to recover, stocks like Mara and Riot will also start to recover as well. But being that crypto is in their own bear market as well, I have a timeline for crypto the same as I do for stocks, at least a 12 to 18 month hold. Now, I understand a lot of you guys who have come into the market within the last 2 years, especially, are not used to kind of that, buy and hold and just, hope for better days. The buy and hold and the hodl mentality, was only sounded good in a raging bull market, when you can buy a dip and, next week that dip not only gets eaten up, but we're making all-time highs, and then it dips, and then, you buy the dip and then you're making all-time highs. It kind of sucks to buy the dip in a bear market, but you have to understand that, wealth and the real money is not made in a bull market. Okay, it's made in the bear market, when you're doing the grunt work, when you're sitting on the sidelines, when you're waiting, when you're being patient, when you're averaging into these plays. Now, if you're a believer in the company, $5 and $8 is an absolute loading zone. You need to be loading up and accumulating shares. So if this does come back to 10, 17, makes a run to 30 or 40 in 18 months, 24 months, 36 months, when crypto does go on its next bull run, you are going to be in the driver's seat to make a lot of money. Now, from a short-term trading perspective, I don't really see a short-term trade here, so I'm not going to be day trading Mara. It's only going to move up 10, 20 cents at a time. If you look at today, it's up 6.5%, but a whopping 47 cents. If I'm looking for stocks to trade, I'm going to go trade the triple Qs, or go trade Tesla, or Apple, or AMD, or Nvidia, or something like that. This is more so of a buy and hold, and definitely a share accumulation process here. So between $5 and $8, I think you're going to be sitting in a pretty good spot here, if and when we do come out of this bear market on some of these smaller cap, high growth, high speculation names. So if you liked Mara, from 40, 50, 60, 80, why do you not like it at 6, 7, 8, and 9? It doesn't really make sense. So if you were willing to buy on the run up here, why not buy here? So if we do go on another run up, potentially, you're sitting in the driver's seat. Hope that kind of makes sense. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also join the Discord if you guys are interested in learning how to trade stocks, swing trade stocks. You guys are looking for a strategy. I got great information down in the description box below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.